Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Let's break things down. For the first set of 8, we're going to simply walk onto the dance floor. Notice the leader, you're on the left side of the dance floor, follower, you're on the right side. And you'll be just holding hands when you walk onto the dance floor. Okay, so we go ahead and walk onto the dance floor until we meet in the middle of the dance floor, center of the dance floor. So once you get there, you're going to face each other and hold hands like this. On the second set of 8, both leader and follower, we're going to start with our right foot. We'll take a rock step. We call this outside partner break. So we're going to take a step over to your partner's right side. So we go 1, 2, feet together on 3, 4. And then we'll rock onto the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's take a look in a different angle. We'll face a wall. So both leader and follower start with the right foot. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's very simple. We're just rocking, shifting our weight to the right foot, back on the left, feet together, and then we'll repeat going to the left, together. Okay? So that's the second set of 8. On the third set of 8, we're going to walk in a circle in our outside partner position, just like how we did earlier. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. On count 5. Leader, you're going to bring your partner's right hand high. You're going to draw a circle clockwise to send your partner over to the right, and we'll end in a side-by-side position like this. Notice we switch hand halfway through the turn. So leader, you should be holding your partner's left hand at the end. And our weight should be on the outside foot. Inside foot is pointed. Okay? Let's do this last 8 counts again. So we're facing each other. We'll walk in circle. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. We turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Can we take a look at the follower's footwork too? So follower, we're going to start with our right foot. Oh, in the turn, we go step, left, right, point. Okay, great. Now on the next set of 8, we are going to do a dip and then get into dance position. So leader, you're going to draw a circle counterclockwise with your right hand. That way your partner is turning to her left. And we'll catch her right in front of us. And make sure we're still connecting to our partner's right hand here. And we'll simply do a dip over here. And they'll come back up on 7, 8. Great.